Welcome to this video on leveraging Google Analytics. After watching this video, you'll be able to use Google Analytics to gain valuable insights into your app's performance. You will understand your users better and how they interact with your app. You'll learn to set up Google Analytics and track key metrics like user demographics, behavior flow, and real-time data. You'll also learn to use conversion tracking and post-analysis actions. Google Analytics is like a skill detective you hire to reveal actionable intelligence about your mobile app's effectiveness and user interactions. It provides real-time data on user acquisition, retention, and engagement, helping you make data-driven decisions to enhance user experience. Use Google Analytics to track your mobile app comprehensively so that you can understand the behavior of existing users, identify gaps, and chart a strategic plan for its growth and success. Your app's journey is incomplete without integrating Google Analytics to monitor user behavior. Firebase Analytics offers smooth integration with Google Analytics and comprehensive app tracking capabilities. Let's begin by adding Firebase to your project by going to the Firebase console and creating a new project. Then follow the instructions to add Firebase to your app. Next, add the Firebase Analytics package to your pubspec.yaml file. Initialize Firebase Analytics through a main function that is declared as asynchronous. This line initializes the Flutter framework. Here, a Firebase app instance is initialized. Finally, this line makes sure the app has started to log events. Let's look at the different metrics that are useful for your app. The first metric is user demographics. Let's say Google Analytics reveals that a significant percentage of your app's users in the 25 to 34 age group are interested in travel. You can use this insight to include new offers or features that target this interest. Additionally, Google Analytics provides valuable insights into the user's age and gender, allowing you to enhance your content and marketing strategy further. The next metric is behavior flow, which reveals how users navigate your app. This metric helps you identify frequently visited screens and where they drop off. For example, Google Analytics might show high drop-off rates on the payment screen. You can then take corrective measures to streamline the payment process to ensure successful transactions. The third metric is real-time data that allows you to analyze how users interact with your Flutter app. These real-time insights are helpful when you want to understand how users react to a marketing campaign or a feature rollout. The final metric is conversion tracking, which helps you understand how well your app performs regarding signups, purchases, and other call to actions. Let's say you've introduced a new feature and want to track its frequency of use. This metric will help you analyze user responses and set up prompts encouraging users to use the feature. Leverage data from user demographics to personalize your content, optimize user journeys according to behavior flows, and enhance features likely to increase conversions. Ensure you deploy A/B testing to verify app changes before rolling them out. You can create two versions of a feature and compare user engagement to determine which version performs better. Next, let's look at some Google Analytics best practices. First, prioritize and focus only on critical metrics that matter to you, such as user engagement, retention, and conversion rates, so you don't waste time on metrics that aren't relevant to your app. Second, establish a schedule for reviewing Google Analytics reports regularly. This will help you stay on top of frequently changing behavior trends. Finally, use advanced tools such as Google Tag Manager for refined event tracking and Firebase's A/B testing features to refine your app's user experience. Let's look at the tools and resources you'll need to use Google Analytics effectively. First, the Firebase console is a centralized route to manage your data and reports. Then there is Google Tag Manager for custom tagging and advanced event tracking. It enables precise measurement of user behaviors and interactions. Finally, there's Google Analytics documentation for extensive guidance on utilizing Google Analytics capabilities. In this video, you learned to add Firebase to your app to initialize Firebase Analytics and integrate it into Google Analytics. Track key metrics including user demographics, behavior flow, real-time data, and conversion tracking. Leverage data collected from Google Analytics to personalize your content, optimize user journeys, and enhance features. Use best practices to leverage Google Analytics capabilities efficiently. Use tools and resources that help you with your Google Analytics journey.